Hi everyone, I promised that I will put a video out here so you can try Reiki, and what I will ask you to do is really for you to sit down on a place or lay down if you prefer, and really start to take deep breaths and relax your body, really sink in. The only thing that you will have to do is to give me authorization to receive that energy. In the moment that you say to yourself, I authorize, I accept this healing into my body, at this moment you're gonna start feeling the energy. So create that intention for yourself. The Reiki is actually a beautiful energy, and I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you. So take some deep breath, and in every exhale, sink into your body even more. Relax the muscles, relax everything, and just breathe. Whenever you feel comfortable, you can start moving your fingers and your toes, stretching your body. Take time. Take the time that you need to wake up. And whenever you feel like you want to receive this energy again, just come back to this video and receive it. Please receive my blessings and light. Thank you.